welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my July 2018 favorites. This is my first favorites video for my YouTube channel. I have done favorites before on my website, noordinaryjulia.com. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my first item. I have my coffee here, which is always a daily favorite. It doesn't need a month because I love it every day. All right, so the first item I'm gonna introduce as my favorite is something that I mentioned in an Ulta haul a while back. It is the Real Techniques Brush Cleansing Palette. And basically all you do with this is you put your brush cleanser, and Real Techniques sells one, but I actually like to use baby shampoo. But you just put a little bit on here, put a little bit of warm water in here, and then swirl your brushes around. And then there's actual, like, this is for the small brushes, like medium and large brushes. So these are gonna be like your all over face brushes right here. But it is amazing at just getting all of the extra product off of the brush and making them really feel like new again. So I definitely recommend this. I've seen it at Walmart, Ulta, Amazon.com. I would highly suggest, if you use makeup brushes, to get this little sleeve right here, because you just slip it in your hand and you do the swirling of the brush when you're washing it, and it really gets it clean, which is amazing and really good for your skin, obviously, because there isn't going to be a lot of that dirt and grime in here. Okay, so for a makeup product, I chose the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. So this is a mascara that I used to use pretty regularly until I fell in love with a lot of Maybelline mascaras, and I hadn't purchased this in a while, and I was at I think it was at Walmart, and all of a sudden I remembered that I needed some mascara, and I didn't really have time to sit and look through each one and decide what I wanted to do and pull up reviews. So I decided to get this one, and I have fallen in love with this again. I will be repurchasing this. The only mascara that I think I could love possibly as much is the Benefit They're Real. But for price point, this is super affordable. You can pick it up at the grocery store, drugstore, Ulta. So I would definitely highly recommend this one. And it's just a good, hearty, like, reliable mascara, which I think is really important for anyone who wears makeup. And so that's what it looks like. I'm sure you've all seen it, but I'm obsessed with getting my camera to focus, so there you have it. Okay, so the month of July must have been a fall in love all over again month with products, because I actually repurchased the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I wear the color 1N1 in Ivory Nude. Guys, this is the best foundation ever. The only one that I have found ever compares to it is the Milani 2-in-1, which is a big favorite of mine, but I'm gonna have to do a review on that because there are some cons to it. But this is just an amazing foundation. Like, honestly, you should definitely give it a test out. I'll let you guys screenshot it there. You guys should definitely just give this a shot. I know it is a little bit more expensive of a foundation. It is found in department stores, but it is worth every penny. It lasts from morning to night, and I like to use it with, and I'm really liking using it with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray, which I actually mentioned in my short trip travel essentials video. These two make for a reliable full face makeup. I mean, you put this on and it's made to last anyways, but then you set it and you are good to go. Nothing is coming through that makeup. So sorry rain, sorry snow, leaves, firecrackers, what have you. That's all you need. Okay, so skincare wise, I have a few favorites that I want to go over with these as well, or with this as well. The first one is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I think it's micellar. I use the green bottle, which is the all-in-one mattifying, removes makeup, cleanses and purifies your pores. No rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, and eyes for oily skin or even sensitive. That's a mouthful, my goodness. Okay, so this is amazing. You just put it on a little cotton pad. I've shown it on my Instagram stories. I did kind of like a nighttime routine Instagram story a while back. I can do another one if I need to, or if you guys want me to. But you just put this on a little cotton round or a cotton pad and take your makeup off. And if you're like me and you like to see the transition, take one side off and then compare, because this will get everything off. And by everything, I mean like 99%. There's always that little bit, which is why I get to my next product for the face. So about a month ago, I decided to transition my skin into some other skincare. I was using the First Aid Beauty cleanser and some other products from various lines, and it wasn't doing my skin any favors. I love First Aid Beauty, but for some reason the cleanser just didn't work for me. So I decided to go on the hunt for something else that doesn't have parabens or sulfates and is cruelty-free. And I found the brand Pacifica, which is a brand that I've used off and on for a while, just different products. Usually I used like their lip balms or like chapsticks, but I found their face washes. So they have a whole line. There's like 3 or 4 other different lines like this one. But I got the Kale Detox Deep Cleansing Face Wash and the Cactus Revive Milk to Foam Face Wash. So this one says that you, let me see. This one is for all skin types. Use it in the morning and night. And then this one is morning and night as well. But what I did is I actually incorporated both of these. So this one I use 2 or 3 times a week, and I do it when I'm in the shower. Like obviously I shower regularly, but like I don't wash my face every single time in the shower. Usually I'll get out and use this one, but sometimes when I'm in there, I will just go ahead and use this one, especially with the Clarisonic. And this has been a lifesaver. I swear it's a little bit harsh for me for every day. So I do just use it from time to time. And then this is my everyday, morning, night, without fail. This is what goes on my face every single day. And it has been a routine that has worked for me. I'm already seeing a huge difference in my skin. And of course I do like my face masks and my moisturizer, my nighttime cream, my under eye cream, but and my under eye patches, y'all know, I love those. So just this little thing, this little duo, it makes me want to try the other products, but obviously I don't want to like use 10 different cleansers every single day on my face. So this is about a 2 or 3 time a week cleanser for me, and daily. So I think I've repeated that like 4 times, but I cannot stress how amazing these were. Super affordable. I got mine at Target, but they have them at Ulta as well. And I'll do one more zoom in on these in case you want to see them. And see, they're amazing. I love them. I cannot stress enough. And how beautiful are these bottles? Like, you gotta try them out. All right, and getting into hair, I am someone who does not love a ton of product on my hair, but I do understand that I have very thick, curly hair, and to style it or to do anything with it, I have to use some sort of product. Today, I actually have this in, so it's perfect timing to talk about this. It is the Bed Head After Party. And this is a product that I used in high school all the time. It's just a smoothing cream that you put in your hair to add some life to it, kind of shine it up a little bit, make it a little smooth, and it just makes my hair look really healthy. But it's great. And look at this, they changed the packaging. It's like, it reminds me of like what they use for like cupping, like the Olympics, you know? I don't know, I've never been to the Olympics. I don't know what I've won for. If napping was an Olympic sport, I could totally do it. Not lying, like dead serious. I'm the person. Okay, and hairspray is another thing that I am really careful about. I feel like hairspray has the tendency to make your hair feel crunchy. Crunchy. Yeah. So hairspray can make your hair seem crunchy, and I have always been on the hunt for a hairspray that is a flexible hold, but it's gonna hold enough without making my hair feel like it's going to break in 47 little pieces if I spray too much. This one is made with shea butter and marula oil for extra strong hold, smooth frizzies, defy the weather, and take control. It is a level 3. And a level 3 I think is really good for making sure that you still have that flexible hold. The only con about this is that I have a lot of trouble. I can't get the lid off. I put the lid off the lid on specifically so you guys could see it like all put together, and it's gonna take me forever to get it off. And it's I'll work on this. But it is amazing. I absolutely love it. It fights the humidity, which if you live in the Midwest, in Ohio like I do, the summer humidity is something, let me tell you. All right, so last but not least, I wanna get into my household favorites. I only have 2 this month, but I imagine as time goes on, I'm gonna think a little bit more about products that I'm using regularly throughout the month. And I'll probably have more favorites in this section. But for now, I am someone who loves their Swiffer. I love the dry Swiffer, and then I love to use my Wet Jet, but I don't use the Wet Jet with the Wet Jet cleaner because I have a cat and I feel like the substance, the liquid, it doesn't, it's not pet friendly from what I hear. So I use the Method brand one, which is another favorite of mine. But I also use the dry mop. And with a cat, yes, I have a cat. If I haven't mentioned this already, I have, I'm sure, but I'll use any opportunity to talk about how amazing he is. I use these dry cloths that I can put on the Swiffer. The reason why I show this one is because this is the one I buy. I do not buy the actual Swiffer brand ones just because they tend to be, I think, a little bit more, no, substantially more expensive than these Target ones right here. And these Target ones work amazing. They are just as good quality, they do the job, and I have to buy them pretty frequently because of my cat. So yes, these are a favorite this month because in the summer, he obviously sheds more and I am constantly dry mopping my floor. So there you have it. And if you use your cartwheel, sometimes you get like 5% off, and I love a deal, so. Okay, and my last product for household and my last product overall is this Method brand, Method foaming bathroom cleaner and eucalyptus mint. Actually, that's funny, my eucalyptus mint candle is back there too. But this is, it's amazing. So I obviously like to clean my showers. I've used it for a few other things, like when something's fallen in the fridge, like that gets there, gross. I use this cleaner right here. You can already tell that I've used, this is my second bottle of this, and it's down to here already, and I think I purchased it like a month ago. This is really good at removing just about anything that you need to get up. I love the way it smells when I'm done cleaning my showers and my bathroom. I feel like this is just, makes my bathroom smell and feel so clean that I'm just very confident in how clean my bathroom is. And I love that it's non-toxic, it's plant-based, and it's Power Green technology, whatever that means. But it removes soap scum, cleans mold, and mildew stains. So if you use this regularly and then spray it after you showered with the bathroom like tile spray or shower spray, your bathroom's just gonna smell and feel amazing. And this little spout right here, I've never seen anything like it. Maybe I'm just a little like unfamiliar with a bunch of cleaning products. There you go. But this little spout right here is what the foaming stuff comes out of, and you can do it 2 ways. You can have it just regular spray where it doesn't come out foamy right away, and then you can also turn it for the foam. I like the foam because I feel like it does a really good job of cleaning the showers, and it does it really fast. I just spray it, let it sit, walk away, do whatever I gotta do, and come back. And I usually either rinse my shower out or I scrub it first. You're technically supposed to scrub it first, but sometimes I just am in a hurry and I just wanna get it done, and I will go ahead and just spray it clean. And this stuff is amazing for that. So if you are looking for a good green cleaner that you feel is pretty safe for your pets to be around too, the Method brand line is awesome. Also the Miss Myers, but for the sake of July favorites, Method is my #1. And I would probably say it is my #1 overall anyways. I use their dishwasher tabs. I use their all-purpose cleaner, their antibacterial cleaner. I use a ton of their stuff. Sometimes I use their hand soap. I would highly recommend it. So if you are on the market for any green cleaning supplies, definitely check out the Method home brand. I've seen it at Kroger, Walmart, And my #1 favorite place on earth, Disney World. Just kidding, Target. All right, guys, so that is my July favorites. I hope you guys were able to get some purchase inspirations for the future, and maybe you guys will be interested in making an August favorites, September favorites, or picking up the camera in the future. Just let me know what products you have purchased. So I am gonna end it here. I have favorites, I'm sure, for August that I'll be back with. Maybe some of these will make a reappearance. Maybe they'll be booted out by some other amazing products. Who knows? I don't. So thank you for stopping by. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Bye, guys.